perfect just like you. In every way, yes, it's true.
You know they know how to cook properly.
When cooking to seduce, making sure you have all the ingredients is vital. We're going to make fried eggs on toast. Notice the uneven number of ingredients. This is only recommended in training. Toast the bread. We don't want anything floppy tonight. The trick to making good food is to add as much fat and salt as possible. It will seem like you know what you're doing if you use oil instead of butter. And make sure to turn the stove on. I have personally wasted many hours over the years staring at cold stoves. Toast the rest of the toast. For advanced chefs, timing the toast and the eggs is an option. Start frying the eggs. This process is extremely boring. Use the time to think of compliments for your date. If you are having problems with this, you can use this universal compliment. These eggs taste even better when I know that the eggs in your mouth were laid by the same hen as the eggs in my mouth. Notice how gently I'm separating these eggs. This is because I'm in the mindset to seduce. Flipping the eggs early is essential for a runny yolk. A runny yolk is essential to make you look smart. More on that later. Careful, the pan is hot. Add pepper and salt, whether you like it or not. Only weak-tongued fools eat their food plain. This will also make you seem more spicy, and we all know how weak the average person is to spicy meats. So why not you humans? The more fat, the better. With the yolk still running, put 2 of the eggs on the plate. These eggs are for your date. You're going to want to cook your egg or eggs for a bit longer. This way, she will think that you're extremely skilled with your mouth, being able to eat this messy food without making a mess. Being skilled with your mouth is essential for a happy relationship. Clean the stove off. You don't want your mom to yell at you on your date. Pour a glass of celebratory liquid. Enjoy and good luck.